okay? And then from here, I just have to go to the key. Okay, bring me past.
Okay, go. Oh my god. Nice.
And now I have to go back.
Now I have to go back. Go to the cubby.
Give me past.
Wait. Okay, go. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I actually had to bring you back. Oh my god. I'm about to fall off my chair. I almost fell off my chair. Dude. I like it when you go,
Holy shit. I can't control it. I'm glad you're enjoying yourself. Oh my god.
Oh, you get so heavy. Someone help.
Get me out of here. We've lost him, guys. It's over. I'm jumping into the void.
No, don't. Wait, hold on.
I'm fighting for my life and Shoto's just laughing.
Woo! You sound like a gnome. Oh my god, my stomach hurt. Stop dying! Stop dying!
And hurry up and get me out of here.
I'm just, hold on, I need to control.
Oh my god. I didn't. You're the first person to laugh at my noises like that. Oh my god.
Okay. Oh, I need water. I need water. Where's Stop dying. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, give me a second, please.
Oh my god.
Oh.
I don't even know what to do right now.
Just chill. Hold on. Okay. I'm ready. Hello.
Listening to
Hello.
you
I feel
laugh.
like if you do that again, I'm gonna lose my mind. Go to the cubby.
I
Go
will,
to the
though,
cubby.
because
No.
I can't control it.
Sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay. Okay, cubby time. Ookie. Hey, Ookie, you there? Ookie, come to the cubby. Ookie, come to the cubby. Ookie, are you there? Come on. Ookie. Ookie.
You're laughing at me.
I'm just you're making me happy. You're making me happy. Oh my god, thank you for existing. That was so good. Oh, go to the cubby! Go to the cubby! Go to why? Cubby! Go to the cubby! Hello? Ookie?
Give me a kiss first.
You are...
You're laughing at me.
I not allowed to laugh? Mwah. Okay, you happy now?
Okay,
You
fine.
happy now? Can we continue the
Yes.
mission?
Oh.
Oh, be careful. Okay. Okay, run. Ready? How did you not die? No. We wait. Okay. Oh my god. I don't think I've laughed that hard in such a long time. Thank you. I love you.
No problem. No problem. You're welcome. No worries. I'm glad.
You're glad? Are you glad? Okay.
Yeah, Pog.
Okay, come here. Follow this line. Okay. Oh, that was a good laugh.
So much. I'm sweating.
If it helps, I'm also sweating just as much. Most likely. Especially since my room is hot.
I'm glad that I can make you laugh like that.
I'm glad to. I enjoy your company very much.
Oh,
Okay.
babe.
Okay. Dude, I think you killed me. Like, I actually physically feel pain right now in my lungs because of that. Is that bad? Should I get that checked? I don't know. It's like, it's not that bad. It doesn't hurt, but it's just like, I feel the after effects of that.